Hello and welcome back to Bonnie's Flower Garden. The big or the small shears, these I use with small things like this. We were going to get Hutch to pull out the roots, but in the meantime, we're just going to prune because I want to see my spider warts clear in this yard. I don't want to see this weed thing that I have not grown that keeps coming back every year. Spider warts are perennials. They multiply and return each season, each spring, in the spring season. And as you can see, that thing that I'm cutting out today really likes it. But this is not our friend, so we're getting rid of that so that our spider warts can really shine this spring and summer. And they will last until the fall frost comes. We are gonna still use the small cutters here on this stupid tree that's decided to put itself down here in my flower bed next to my rosemary. Yeah, we got to get this out of here. So we're going to grab it right there and just pull it right on out. Yeah. These are bugs, probably. Little insects growing on there or some kind of disease. Good thing we're getting that out of there. And that's the other reason we wear gloves when we're in the yard. Can't see what you can't see until you do. This is another tree. So these acorns, yeah. If anyone knows if these are bugs or disease, put that down in the comment section. They are gross, whatever they are. Yeah. And I'll show you what happens when you don't get out in the yard and put your flowers in the ground or put them in permanent pots. Things like this happen. These beautiful pansies, the plan was to put them right here. And they're still in that little container they come in at the local stores when you buy them, like Walmart and stuff. And these are going to be some, well, actually they are bearded iris that have been here for at least 5 years now. They have, oh no, wait a minute. Yeah, these are, let's get this out of the way since we're cleaning up the flower bed a little bit. These are gladiolas. They're going to be about 4, maybe 5 feet tall with about 10 blooms on the end when that stalk pops out. And that's going to be beautiful. The hummingbirds love those. That's why we've got those right here with these. That's what these stalks are from. And these will be pink. There'll be pink flowers on the ends of these. They'll be about 3 to 4 feet tall. And the hummingbirds come here in the mornings. That's why in the back we've got those hummingbird feeders so that they can still eat. And then we're going to take this morning our marigolds and put them in the ground so that they don't end up like those pansies did down there. And if anyone knows how to pack these pansies in the ground here so that the potting soil, when the rain comes, doesn't wash it away, please put that in the comment section. Thank you, thank you. Or you can email us if you'd like. But it's easier for me to get to your answers and for you to get my responses to any questions you might have about gardening. And these are our succulents back here that are covered up by just weeds. We're going to get a little bit of that out of here today too.